5 little monkeys sitting in a tree. 5 little monkeys and their mama walk down to the river for a picnic supper. Mama spreads out a blanket and settles down for a snooze. She's taking a nap on the blankets. 5 little monkeys climb a tree to watch Mr. Crocodile. I guess there is a crocodile, right? Under the sea. 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile, "Can't catch me." Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Snap! Oh my god, they're hanging on the tree. It looks very risky. Oh no, where is she? 4 little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile, "Can't catch me." Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Snap! Oh my god, the crocodile is opening its big mouth to eat all of them. Oh no, where is she? I think a monkey has already fallen down into the pond, right? 3 little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile, "Can't catch me." Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Snap! Oh no, where is he? 2 little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile, "Can't catch me." Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Snap! Oh, looks very scary. Oh no, where is she? Now there is only 1 little monkey sitting in a tree teasing Mr. Crocodile, "Can't catch me." Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Snap! Oh no, there are no little monkeys sitting in a tree, but wait, look over there, right? There are 5 little monkeys there, right? Behind a tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree. Their mama hugs them hard. She looks so happy. Their mama scolds them, "Never tease a crocodile. It's not nice and it's very dangerous." Then 5 little monkeys and their mama eat a delicious picnic supper. And they do not tease Mr. Crocodile again.